Google Calendar has a feature called Focus Time that allows you to manage your time by helping you remove distractions as you work. To use Focus Time, click on the Create button at the top of the left sidebar and click the Focus Time option. This feature is intended to allow you to carve out a specific time slot for focused work and is available to all school accounts as well as most work accounts. When you've clicked on the Focus Time option, you can assign a title to your focus time. For example, if you want to be working on a particular assignment, you can indicate that here. You can also indicate a date and a time duration for how long you want to set aside time, as well as choose a time zone and whether or not you want to repeat this focus time. Underneath that, there's the option to automatically decline meetings. If you want to decline all meetings that you're invited to during your focus time, so you can have that time just for yourself, you can select this option. If you only want to decline new meeting invitations, so any meetings you're invited to after you've already created the focus time, like time slot, then you select only new meeting invitations. But if you want to decline all meeting invitations, including ones that you've already been invited to, choose new and existing meetings. For anyone who tries to invite you to a meeting during focus time, they'll be sent a message. It says in default, decline because I'm in focus time, but you can change that to say whatever you want. For example, decline because I'm working on a specific assignment or whatever makes sense. You can also add a location for your focus time and add a description or attachments. For example, if you are going to be using a particular website, you can link it here. You can create meeting notes, add an attachment, etc. You can also choose which calendar you'd like to have your focus time show up in, as well as change the color associated with focus time so it can look different from the rest of your meetings. You can also choose to change the visibility of focus time. For example, if you want everyone to be able to see it, you can make it public. Finally, you can choose to be notified before your focus time starts so you can prepare for what's to come. To do this, you just click on the bell icon's drop-down menu and choose a time that makes sense. For example, the day before or half an hour before or whenever. And you can add multiple notifications. So if you want to be notified, for example, 30 minutes before and then also 5 minutes before, you can do that here. This saves your focus time, and now you have a foolproof way to set aside time for really important work.